Your home is a reflection of your personality. The aesthetics and decor reflect your style. Everything, from the walls to the colors and even the ceiling, has to be in sync to be an extension of your personality. Taking care of all aspects of decor but losing out on decorating the ceiling makes the room strangely incohesive, unfinished and scattered. False ceilings are often an afterthought, either never bothered with or added to the room in a way that does not blend with the decor. Their choice and installation must be carefully thought through to get the best out of your home's aesthetics and decor. So, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be showcasing an incredible pop false ceiling design that will leave you in awe. False ceiling design, when cleverly done, can take care of many things. It can help in conserving energy, reduce wastage. It can even enhance and amplify the sound of a room. False ceilings minimize the need for air conditioning, create different looks for the space and so much more. The trick to getting them right is good planning and a great sense of aesthetics. A false ceiling, also known as a drop ceiling or suspended ceiling, is a great way to add depth and character to any room. Whether you're looking to revamp your living room, bedroom, or office, these design ideas will inspire you to create a stunning ceiling that complements your overall interior decor. From intricate geometric patterns to elegant curves and textures, we will showcase a wide range of pop false ceiling designs that are sure to impress. Not only do false ceilings enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room, but they also offer functional benefits such as improved acoustics, insulation, and lighting options. False ceilings are the upper interior of any room, one that you'd think many wouldn't gaze upon. But you may be wrong, because the coziness and warmth of a space is as much about the upper wall as it is about the four walls that surround it. Most rooms in homes have plain concrete ceilings, but nowadays many are experimenting with false ones. Intricacy of such false ceiling for living room designs may vary. Modern home interiors work well with geometrical lines and curves, while traditional homes work with moldings and columns. While ceiling design needs as much structural planning and architectural inputs, it does help to know the intricacies and details so you get something you really want and that will grace your home for years. Design of rooms vary from one space to another. What works in the living room may not work for the bedroom and so forth. Most times, living rooms, dining rooms and bedrooms need intricacy in ceiling design because they are either a place for family get-togethers or relaxation. Living rooms may require more niches and varied lighting, as opposed to bedrooms where the needs are limited. It makes sense to consider the kind of room and its specific needs before designing one. Simple pop false ceiling designs cannot be the same as other rooms. You need to decide the style before planning ceiling design. Height of it matters on where it is going to be fixed. In living rooms, for example, dropped, undulating ceilings with recessed lights lend drama. Texturing and contours look beautiful in this space. In bedrooms, pop false ceilings cannot be too low or too intricate, or it can even make the room stressful. Also check for the area, whether you want it to be covered, recessed or exposed, and plan the design accordingly. Pop ceilings are different in different homes. While some are high, others are low. This may even vary from one room to the other. Low ceilings cannot be affixed with false ceilings, instead can be painted with or lent some textural elements. High pop ceilings with wooden ceiling design for living rooms offer more scope to experiment and work around with. If you're ready to transform your space with a stunning pop false ceiling, hit that play button and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design ideas and home improvement tips. Thank you for watching.